Did you know that when people get injured at work, they often don't know who will pay them for their time off to recover? In this video, I'm going to help you understand who should be paying you when you get injured at work. I'm Craig Armstrong, and since 1983, I've been helping Tulsa area residents whom are injured at work get the proper compensation they are entitled to. If you've been injured at work and have an insurance claim or Social Security claim and are being pushed around, visit my website and set a time to meet with our firm. Also, if you need more information about workers' compensation, check out the rest of my videos on my site and channel. On this video, I'm going to list everything you need to know about being paid or compensated while healing from an injury suffered at work, so that if you're injured at work, you know what you are entitled to. It's important to know that the insurance company pays your benefits, not your employer. It's also important to know exactly who you work for at the time of your injury. Sometimes I incur situations where a client does not know they are actually entitled to workers' compensation benefits, and incorrectly they will file for FMLA or possibly short-term or long-term disability. But filing for FMLA or any other form of short-term or long-term disability is not filing for workers' comp. And if you do not timely file, you could ultimately decline workers' comp. To be entitled to receive workers' compensation pay, you have to have evidence to prove you have sustained a medical condition from your employment that is prohibiting you from returning back to work. Once you've determined who you work for and you have filed a claim against their insurance company, you need to make sure you have medical evidence to support your inability to continue working. If the physician selected by the insurance company that is treating you gives medical directions on certain treatment, you need to follow through those medical directions. Failure to do so could subject your claim to possible termination or your denial of benefits. For example, if the treating physician releases you back to work light duty and you decline to accept that position, you could be subject to certain repercussions, which could include possible termination and possible denial of further medical treatment. If you're receiving medical treatment and at the same time drawing total temporary disability, if you were to miss a scheduled appointment, the employer's insurance company can stop your benefits. Another point I want to get across is if you are found to be working on another job but drawing total temporary disability, you are subject to potential fraud allegations and losing your workers' compensation total temporary disability pay. Navigating the workers' compensation process can be overwhelming to any individual. Having an attorney at your side to make sure you have access to every benefit you're entitled to and that you are not mistreated by the insurance company is extremely important, and that's why you need the services of my firm. I've had several clients over the years that, not knowing it, they filed for the wrong type of benefit. Specifically, they had filed for short-term and long-term disability. Unfortunately for them, they didn't realize at the time those benefits are taxable. And if they received those benefits and then also received workers' compensation benefits, they would have to pay back the short-term, long-term disability carrier. If you need more information about your workplace injury or Social Security claim, check out the rest of my videos on my channel or website. If you've been injured at work, schedule a call with us today and let us help you create a plan to get you the compensation you're really entitled to. I'm Craig Armstrong with the Armstrong Law Firm, and I look forward to helping you.